welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Come on in, bring it on in, all of that. So for today's video, I did this beat and it's very colorful and it's just popping. Okay, I use these chunky glitters from Tequila Cosmetics on Instagram, you guys, and it is popping. Okay, I also use the gloss. But y'all, I really like the way this beat came out. If you guys want to see how your girl got these look, keep watching. Welcome back. So that's starting off. I already did my brows. I will be going in with this 18-hour camo concealer from e.l.f. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is if y'all watch my videos, okay? So I'm just going to prime my lids with that. Yeah, and then we're just going to get it popping. This is in the shade of Latte, Tan Latte. And I just like to use this to prime my lids and sometimes cut my crease with it. So after I blend it out, this is what it's looking like. I'm going in with this Morphe 3502, and I'm going to take that black shade and just pop that all over the lid, sis. We're going to blend it all over the lid. After you blend it, it's going to look like you done got punched in the eye. And then you're going to go in with this Zulu palette and take that purple shade and just blend out them edges of that black. And then we're going to also go in with that pink shade from the same palette and blend them purple edges. And just make it all come in together. Afterwards, we're going to cut the crease. I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas, and I'm just going to cut the crease. It's like a wet concealer, but it's cool for me because I know how to work with them. Yeah, please excuse the background noise. Y'all know how my kids do if you watch previous videos, okay? They like to be super loud when your girl filming, recording, making voiceovers, doing anything. You know what I'm saying? They just like to be loud and in my business. But we're just going to go ahead and cut that crease, and I'm doing half a crease, so yeah. Afterwards, you're going to make sure you get it how you want it. And then I'm going to be going back in with that black because at the top part where I cut it, you know, you kind of lose that shade. So I just kind of like to go back in with the previous shade and just kind of blend it on out just a little bit. And then I also will be going in with this Morphe X Jacqueline Hill palette. And I'm going to be taking this turquoise, like bluish turquoise color, and just popping it all over the lid, y'all. Okay, whoa. Okay, we will be going in with this Tequila Cosmetics. I'm using Birthday Disaster, and I'm also taking this NYX glitter primer to pop it all over my lids. And wherever you want your glitter, that's where you're going to put that glitter primer, okay? And that's pretty much what you're going to be seeing me doing, and then I'm going to be popping on that glitter. I mean, cause like, do y'all see this glitter? Cause like, it's just popping by itself. Like, I'm gonna go out like this. Nah, but I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild liquid liner in the shade black, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do this a straight across liner. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all this liquid liner is really good for like over glitter too. You know how sometimes when you try to do your liner after you put glitter, it look kind of ugly and clunky. Nah, this is really good over glitter. So I'm using the shade Toffee from the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to clean up the edges, make it super sharp. Y'all know how we gets down, and then I'm just going to blend it on out. As I already moisturized my face, but I'm just going to go back in with this Aveeno Lavender lotion, whatever, and just put it all over my skin. I really like this stuff. I did do like already a skincare thing, but once I had like fallout from shadows and stuff, yeah, I had to wipe it away. So it's kind of like your girl need to go back in with some moisture. I'm going in with the Morphe foundation today, and I really do like this foundation, y'all. I just feel like they should have probably put more in the tube, okay? And yeah, it's pretty good for the price and everything. It's a good price, and I really like the coverage of it, like come through, okay? And yeah, your girl will be picking up some more because yeah. But for some reason, everybody just happened to be my shade, I guess. And it's just always sold out, or it's just never there, or it's just like I can't find it. And it's just like, your girl needs something quick, okay? So we're just going to blend that. And we're going to make sure we blend it on now. Blend it real smooth. And we're going in with this Juvia's Place in the shade 12. This is their concealer. And I'm just going to highlight all my areas. I like to do my nose, my under eye, my forehead just a little bit, you know. My chin, I like to do above my lips, and then we're just going to let it sit just a little bit, and then we're going to blend it out, period. Okay, whoa. We're going to go in with a little selfie. Nah, but I will be taking this Maybelline setting powder, and I'm just going to be blending everything and just setting it right away, okay? And we're going to be kind of, you know, looking kind of yellowy a little bit, but we're going to be bringing back the color after we get it together. Guys, y'all will see me go in with my foundation brush. If you watch previous videos, y'all know I don't add any extra product. I just go ahead with what's left on my brush, and I just like blend out the edges of my concealer where I highlighted all my areas. I just kind of like to blend out the edges just so everything can just flow together. Hey guys, so we will be going in with this L'Oreal True Match powder, and it's in the shade Creamy Cafe. I've used this previous several times in videos, and I will be using it again today. So I'm just going to be putting that everywhere that I highlighted. So yeah, that's going to be bringing back some of the warmth to my face, and I just really like this stuff because it blends out really good with your girl complexion, skin color, and it just looks really smooth, you know what I'm saying, period. Oh yeah, I will be going in with this Morphe 24G palette, taking that brown shade that you see me grab right here, and then I'm just gonna do a little contour with it. I'm gonna be very light with it or whatever. But you guys, I have did like an updated skin routine, like how I do my face. Like your girl has really been practicing. This is not actually a update video. This is one of the videos that I supposed to have put out, and your girl was being super lazy with the uploading, okay, and the editing, because this is like your girl can film all day. But when it comes to this editing stuff, I get lazy, okay? I need somebody to edit my stuff. So inquiries DM, okay? No, but anyways, I'm going in with that orangey shade that says a blush, and then I'm going to take this crystal shade. It's like a little shiny shimmer shade, and I'm just going to highlight that brow bone, and then your girl also going to use that same shade to highlight the inner corner of the eye. Okay, going back in with that black and then smoking out that under eye, and then I'm going to go in with that purple shade from that Zulu palette and do the same with that. And I will be taking this, I believe this is Wet n Wild pencil in the shade white, and just doing it waterline, you know what I'm saying. And then yeah, that's just gonna bring that color to the eyes, and we just looking good, and we just looking snatched, okay? In the same shade that I use underneath my brow bone for my highlight in the inner corners, I'm going in with this Black Radiance mascara and just getting them lashes popping. And then we're gonna pop on these lashes from Pastel Lashes. Y'all know how we get down, and these are in the style Pinkee. I will leave my code down below for you guys who want to purchase and save some coins, okay? Yeah, we will be going in with this Wet n Wild dark brown pencil, and I'm just going to go ahead and just, you know, like you know what we doing with this. No. We just gonna go ahead and like blend out them lips and like line out that lip. And then we're going in with this Tequila Cosmetics gloss in the shade Aquafina. Y'all, this is one of my favorite glosses right now, no cap. Okay, and literally a little bit goes a long way, and it makes your lips pop for a long time. Like, I'm not joking, I'm not kidding, sis. Like, y'all better go ahead and get on it, okay? I'm also gonna bring like some Pinkee, you know, that's to kind of make it go and tie in with the look. I could have left it how it was, but I kind of like that pink to the lip, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm going in with this NYX lingerie in the color Baby Doll, and this is period what your girl gonna be using. I'm also going in with this NYX setting spray, and I'm just going to go ahead and set my face, and that's that, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button for your girl. Comment your thoughts down below. Subscribe to my channel. It will help me out so much, and I really do appreciate it. And if you want to keep up with me outside of YouTube, I do be posting pictures and other content on my other social networks. I will list it down below in the description box and also on the screen for you guys who want to continue to follow your girl and check on your girl and do all that for your girl. Okay, so go ahead and add me on those and all of that good stuff. Make sure you guys check out Tequila Cosmetics. I am a brand ambassador, and I also will be leaving my code down below for y'all to save your coins. Okay. Yeah, these glitters are popping. Like, sis, look. Sis, look. This gloss. Like, I really like this gloss, y'all. Like, no cap, don't judge me, but I had put this on when I had went to sleep one night. Normally I put on Vaseline, but I put this on, y'all, and left it on, and it was just popping. I woke up and my lips was still like that, like, no cap. And it's like really soft, y'all. It's not sticky. Like, you know how it be. Cause I done had some gloss, like, they be popping, but they be sticky. But the color of them be cute, so I just kind of deal with it. But this one is really smooth, like it's doing your lips some justice, y'all. Yo, this gloss is really popping. I really want to put some more on, but I don't want to overdo it, but see, y'all, it's not sticky. Like, I really like this. It is popping. So make sure you guys check that out. We'll have the information down below in the description box for your girl, and I'll put it right here on the screen. Check them out. I really like these glitters. This is not the only glitter that she has. Of course, she has a smack load of glitters. She have body oils. She have shimmers. All the different kind of stuff. Pigments, colorful pigments. Like, it's the bomb, okay? So, you know, we got to pull out the best of the best. Okay? Like, I feel like this is really popping. It's black on. So, go ahead and check them out. And I'll see you guys in the next one.